Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to make special dish for the Christmas. I am making mango chicken today. So basically when you make mango chicken at the restaurant, you need two sauce. One is the onion based gravy and one is the korma sauce. So today I am going to make easy for you guys. So I make the first preheated oil for the 4 tablespoon and low heat. So we'll put the one fine chopped onion. So we need to fry until it's a little bit soft. So we'll be using one cardamom, whole cardamom. There will be no whole spices except green cardamom, one green cardamom. So I have to increase the flame low to medium high. So we'll cook for another next 5 minutes. So onion is already cooked last 5 minutes. So now I have to cook the one like a medium sized tomato fine chop, and we have to go through the same process. We'll cook another 5 minutes. The tomato is already cooked for the last 5 minutes. So now next step we'll put the 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it and cook for another 1 minute. So now next step we'll cook all the spices. This is like a 1 teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and 1 tablespoon paprika. So I am not using red chili powder. This paprika is for only for color. I am using 2 green chili fine slice. Sorry. It will give a nice flavor, a little bit touch of green chili flavor. It will be not spicy. Of course, it is mango chicken. Now I will put the 2 tablespoon tomato paste. And 1 teaspoon salt as taste. We'll fry a little bit, then I will add little bit water. We'll put like a quarter cup of water. So we'll cook next 5 to 7 minutes. Masala has to be cooked perfectly. So masala is ready. I have to turn off the gas. So I have to give them time for 10 minutes cool down. Then after that I will make the grind it and make a paste. So masala is almost cooled down. Now I have to grind it, make a paste. So now we are time to cook the chicken breast. This is like a 2 chicken breast. I cut it in the small cube size, like a medium cube size. We are using the same fry pan. So now I have to fry the chicken. I put the just 1 teaspoon oil. Just we are using little bit like a quarter teaspoon salt, not much. We'll cook for another next 5 minutes. So chicken has been cooking for the last 7 minutes to 8 minutes on low medium heat. It's already released some water, you can see. It's almost 80% cooked. The rest of the 20% I will cook in the sauce. So I have to put the flame on now low because I have to put the sauce. So I have to increase the flame now, medium. So we'll cover it for the next 5 minutes. We have to cook the chicken. So now we have to finalize the mango chicken. Chicken is already cooked. So we'll put this is cashew paste, 2 tablespoons. And this is 1 cup of mango. I'm using mango pulp, the canned one, because it is sweet. If you buy the fresh one, sometimes it's not too sweet. So that's why best idea, buy the new canned one for the mango pulp, like a good quality. Give you the rice flavor. So now next step, we will put the 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now we'll increase the flame to medium to high. We'll put the half cup of whipping cream. This is full fat. Mix it until it's boiled. Then it will be ready. Give them 1 boil. Cover it. So now it's ready. Mango chicken is ready. So I have to test it. It's 100% perfect because I put some green chili. It's not spicy, but it will give you the little bit flavor of the green chili and also mango taste. And you can see the texture has to be like this, not too thick, not too runny, like this. So it's ready. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen and happy holiday. Merry Christmas. See you next video. Hopefully you enjoy this video.